much this hurts. I think that knife severed one of my vital veins, and blood is now soaking my shirt. The only girl I love stabbed me out of the blue. I didn't even do anything, except of course I killed her pets and her friends too. But her parrot, I just broke its wing. Why am I in so much pain? It just ain't fair. I only hit her every day to show I care. She can't love another if she's maimed. That's my plan. Listen to my agonizing screams of pain. I don't know why she's done this to me. Is she still upset I cannibalized her sister Jane, and then covered her with my pee? I don't know why she's got me so deep in my chest. I thought whipping her every day would show my love best. Don't you see I killed her parents because they're pests. Listen to my torturous shrieks of pain. I'd never do the same to her. No, instead I set her clothes alight so she'd feel ashamed as her skin peeled off and her hair burned. Listen to my terrible pain. My blood pit up bladders on the ground. Listen to my shrieks of pain.